The challenger has finally made it to the final gym leader, Claire of Blackthorn Gym. Let's see if the challenger can snatch victory from her ferocious dragon Pokemon. There's the shot! Hit! That was good! What will the trainer do now? Yes, it's a hit! They're both hanging tough. Hydro Pump! Hit! That inflicted some damage. Oh! Oh! Knockout! Which Pokemon will join the battle now? Oh, it's Kadabra! Sparks are flying from both competitors. A sharp attack. Great hit. There's the attack. A savage hit. A hot battle is unfolding. A psychic blast. Right, that's a hit. Oh, it collapsed. We're eagerly awaiting the appearance of the next Pokemon. Oh, it's Dragonair. The white-hot battle continues. The Pokemon is returning to its Pokeball. Oh, it's Dewgong! There's the attack. A light back. What impact will this Pokemon switch have on the battle? How's that? That was a glancing blow. There it goes! That struck home! The heated action continues. What'll it do? The hit glanced right off. Oh, a quick snooze. It's a fierce battle. Oh no, it attacked itself. What now? Oh, that was weak. They're both hanging tough. Aha! It's confused no more. What's this? That did little damage. Oh, Aurora Beam! That's it! Oh, it collapsed! Just one Pokemon remains. Oh, it's Rhydon! It's down to the last Pokemon now. A hot battle is unfolding. It finally woke up. No, the move failed. Dynamic Punch! No, that didn't connect. Sparks are flying from both competitors. Vicious attack! Bullseye! There's the attack! Oh, that missed too! The white-hot battle continues. There it goes! That had to hurt. There are no more remaining Pokemon. That's it!